What's up, YouTube? It's time to get started back working on this international truck. Today's video, we're going to be replacing the floor in this truck. I've actually already got all the floor completely cut out of the truck. I'm getting ready to start cutting 1-inch square tubing to build a frame for the floor to attach to and sit on. I'm going to get everything cut and mocked up and then weld it all in place, and this frame is going to be attached to the rockers and the rear cab mounts and the front cab mount areas, so it should be a nice sturdy surface for everything to sit on. Once I get all this finished, I'm planning to get the floors bead rolled out and start laying those down, and then I'm going to fix the toe boards and make my engine cover and transmission cover, and then I'm going to move into repairing the rest that's in the cowl area of this truck. I'm glad to be back. I hope to be starting to make some videos more regular for you guys, so come along with me as we get this repaired. Here we are with the driver's side. I've about got it all prepped and ready for the new one, the new floor and everything to go back in it. Let's finish up the passenger side now. Alright, let's cut some metal now for the floor and get it ready. here it is with the seat frame or the floor cut out of it, and here's the frame that I built. Everything's built out of 1-inch square tubing, with the exception of the pieces that I've put in for the actual seat frame to sit on, where I'm going to drill my holes and bolt it down. Once I get everything drilled, I'm going to weld nut certs to the bottom where it's going to bolt in, and that way when I make the floor, all I have to do is just drill a hole for where the hole is already going to be for the seat to bolt down, and everything will be good to go on that. I'm pretty happy with how the frame came out. It's all tied in there together pretty strong. I've got both sides done the same way. I'll try to get you guys a shot of it with the seat out of it, where you can see the whole thing here shortly. Anyway, I'm going to get this seat frame where I want it and go ahead and get my holes drilled for that. Alright guys, I was wanting to show you, I got my seat bolted in place now. The floor is, all the steel tubing that I was going to use for the floor is all in place and done. The seat's bolted down. I just have to get under there and weld the nuts in place for it. And then I'm going to pull the seat back out and I can show you guys a picture of the floor frame. And I'm going to be ready to start bead rolling metal and stuff for the floor. So I'm going to do the floor and the kick panels, toe boards, etc. And then work my way into fixing the cowl. But here it is. I'm going to move around and show you a shot of the other side here. Here's a shot of the passenger side with it all sitting in place and adjusted out how I want it. probably have to save showing you guys the actual framing for the floor for another day. I'm going to have to stop and go pick my kids up at school for today. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I just want to say thank you for all the new subscribers. Also, I want to say thank you. There's been several of you that's reached out to me, commented concerning my health and everything, with some kind words and all. I appreciate that. I'm trying to stay motivated and get back in the habit of working on this project so I can hopefully see it out of the shop, driving down the road one day in the near future. Again, thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for liking them and sharing them and commenting. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leave me a comment. Give me a like. Let me know you like what you see. Like I said, it motivates me and helps keep me wanting to work on this truck and see it get finished. So again, thank you guys for watching.